Teach an old dog new tricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this PowerPoint tutorial we're going to talk about some of the views that we can use to view our slides. I'm going to come up on the ribbon, I'm going to click on the View tab right here, and I want to draw your attention over here to what we have as the normal view. This area right here is what's called the slide sorter view, and I'll use this periodically when I'm trying to tweak my presentation. So if I click on this, what it does is it puts all the slides in the slide sorter view. Why this is interesting is because it gives me an overview of what the slides look like. A couple things I want to draw your attention to. Down in the bottom right hand corner, all the slides are numbered. Also, in the left-hand bottom of the slide, you'll see what looks like a little star. That's just telling me there's animation on this particular slide. If I want to move the slides around, let's say I decide that the Microsoft Word slide right here really needs to go here, I can click on it and drag. So I can move my slides around as I see fit to get my presentation to flow in a way that I deem best. So a lot of times when I'm working in a presentation, I'll do the slide, but in the back of my mind, I know that I can take these slides and move them around because maybe I've decided I want to stress a point in a different order. So you can move this around and run the presentation that way. Also, it's possible that maybe you're presenting to different types of groups and you want different slides to be available based on the group you're presenting to. Let's say you're not talking about Microsoft Excel. Well, if you right-click on this cell, you can come down here and click on Hide Slide. Now the slide isn't hidden from this, but you'll notice down here around the number of the slide, there's a square with a line through it. So what will happen is when you run through this presentation, this slide will not be seen. So a way I like to describe this is, again, let's say you're giving one to the Boston Chamber of Commerce and you have the Boston Chamber of Commerce slide, but next time you're doing it maybe to the Hartford Chamber of Commerce. Well, you create a new slide called Hartford Chamber, you hide the Boston Chamber slide, and you just run your presentation. So once you have your presentation done, you can come in and tweak it and move the order around as your presentation sees fit, and you can hide slides that you don't feel you need. So the slide sorter view is great. Just quickly, I'm going to come up here to the Notes page and click on that. If you've added notes to your slide for your presentation, when you go to print out your notes, this is what it will look like, and you can actually see and edit your notes right in here. At this point, I'm going to leave it at that. The reading view, I quite frankly have never used that. I'm not 100% sure how to use it. I've never had a good opinion of it, so I'm just going to leave it at that for right now. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here. Have a great day.